Are you trying to find the best car brake pads? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best car brake pads. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. Bosch also sells blue brake pads, which are designed to function at their best using NaO ceramic and semi-metallic friction compound formulations that are platform-specific. While a rust-inhibitive coating helps prevent rust, these pads feature multi-layer shims in the OA for improved noise dampening. Each pair of pads comes with a hardware kit and synthetic oil, and for installation convenience, some pads have slots and chamfers that are identical to those on the original equipment. They go through the same engineering and testing procedures as Bosch's premium braking systems, but are a more affordable choice. Number 2. The Delco Professional Ceramic series of brake pads for the front is what we advise. For quality assurance, the noise, vibration, and harshness, durability, and wear of these brake pads have all been tested in accordance with SAE J2784. These brake pads are safe and dependable for a variety of vehicle applications because they are made of ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic materials. These pads have been fitted by Delco with high-quality chamfers, slots, and shims to help lessen noise, vibration, and harsh braking. Additionally, they contain a stamped backing plate that enables appropriate pad movement within the caliper assembly. The stamped backing plate also helps to lessen noise, brake pulsation, and protects against premature wear. Each brake pad's friction compound is molded to the backing plate for bond integrity. With over 90,000 GMO and other components produced, Delco is one of the most respected names in the automobile business and the authentic General Motors original equipment parts brand. Number 3. You won't be able to tell the difference in performance between one pair of brake pads and another for the majority of cars operating in normal conditions. Some will simply be higher quality, some will withstand more abuse or heavy use, and some will live longer than others. Original equipment quality braking performance was what Wagner's long-running TQ series provided, but in a packaging that was made to cut down on brake noise. The steel backing plate is sandwiched between the copper-free pad and an underlayment compound that reduces noise and vibration. The brake pads themselves are laser-shaped, with tapered edges that lessen judder against the brake discs, and are constructed of a patented OE25 semi-metallic formulation that can outperform other brake pads while producing less brake dust to scuff up your wheels. The majority of applications come with stainless steel hardware, and the Wagner ThermaQuiet brake pads have a 2-year, 24,000-mile limited guarantee. Number 4. These UltraQuiet advanced premium ceramic brake pads from KFE have an OEM fit and a hassle-free limited warranty. Thanks to 2 rubber shims that significantly lessen vibration noise, these pads will operate well while producing little noise. Since KFE's pads go through a thermoscorched manufacturing process, they also need less break-in time. These brake pads not only provide improved brake bite but also long life slots and chamfered edges, which extend pad life and reduce noise. But keep in mind that not all applications will have slotted and chamfered features. The 2021 national requirement for material safety is met by these pads, which are made entirely without any asbestos-containing component. Number 5. The PowerStop Z23 Evolution Sport brake pads are a high-performance choice if you're ready to spend a premium for it. For enhanced braking performance and power, these brake pads have a ceramic mix with carbon fiber added. A powder-coated base plate aids in extending the lifespan of these brake pads by preventing rust and corrosion, while superior rubberized shims assist in providing noise-free braking. For additional noise reduction, these are additionally chamfered and slotted like O pads. These brake pads are designed for performance use and will resist fading at significantly greater temperatures than O-specified ones. In addition to the ceramic brake lubricant that comes with every set of brake pads, some applications also include with bin bushings and a quality stainless steel hardware kit. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.